Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Vandy, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today's video is going to be an update video from the knotless braids I did on myself a couple weeks back. My initial plan was to wear this style for 6 weeks, but here's how I'm looking after exactly 4. I figure it's time to retouch and refresh so I get a few more weeks out of this look. I'm also going to share with you some products I use in the interim to maintain my itchy, flaky scalp. So if you want to see me go from plain to presentable, make sure you stay tuned. So here's a close-up look at how my hair has held up for 4 straight weeks in these knotless braids. Keep in mind my curl pattern is a combination of a 3C, 4A, and my texture is pretty fine and very prone to frizz. So with all things considered, even the fact that I'm not the best at tying up my hair at night, I'm not looking too bad. I do like to change my look up quite often, so I was fighting the urge to just take it all down and do something new. But since this ain't got nowhere to really go, I figured I might as well stretch it out for a few more weeks. I have not washed my hair at all, so I also figured I'd kill 2 birds with 1 stone. So today I'm going to retouch the front of my hairline and also deep clean my scalp. As far as maintenance went to help maintain my dry scalp, I've been using the new Head & Shoulders Royal Oil system. And let me tell you, it has been a godsend. For moisture, I use the Daily Moisture Scalp Cream as needed. I just applied it to the dry areas and massaged it in really well. If I had any itching, I went in with the Instant Soothe Scalp Elixir, which also helped with breaking up buildup. So one note, when you're going to take down your braids, this is a great product for breaking up the buildup at the roots. I love both of these products because they didn't have strong smells and were not heavily oil based. I know a lot of people like to use oil for their scalp throughout the braid process, and that works just fine for a lot of people. But for me, I have found excessive oils just cause much more buildup and would also require more washing. So moving into this transformation, I'm now going to section the front of my hair off, and I'm going to tie the back section into 2 low ponytails and then braid each of those sections down, securing the ends with rubber bands. I'm then going to begin taking down the braids in the front, which ended up being a total of 10 braids. I'm going to snip the bottom of each braid and unravel it all the way up to the root. I'm going to then detangle each section, carefully removing any buildup and shed hair. I already have a video here showing you the whole retouch process step by step, so make sure you go check that out. I went ahead and washed everything off camera. When washing, I only directed the products and water on my scalp. This reduces the drying time and potential for additional frizz throughout the length of the braid. Again, my only aim here is to clean my scalp to get it free of flakes and itching. The first product I used was the Cantu Apple Cider Vinegar Rinse. Massaging this in helped to loosen and break up buildup. And then I went in to cleanse my scalp with the Tropical Roots Clarifying Shampoo. I have a whole video on washing knotless braids that features both of these products, so make sure you check that out as well, especially if you're not doing a retouch. Before I dry the front and begin reinstalling the braids, I'm going to set the back of my hair with the Tropical Roots setting foam. This foam also came in handy for styling because it didn't contribute to any dryness or buildup. So boom, just like that, with the power of editing, I am retouched, refreshed, and well, frankly ready to go nowhere. But hey, at least I got at least 2 to 3 more weeks wear out of this look and look somewhat presentable on my grocery runs. I let my hair set until it was completely dry and styled it in my usual manner. I also reset the ends in hot water using some smaller flexi rods this go round. Now the true test will be whether or not I can remember to tie my hair up at night. I know my clients are going to kill me because I'm constantly preaching it, but Lord, man, I be tired. So that completes this week's video, you guys. Make sure you thumbs it up if you found this helpful and share this with a friend you think may find this useful. If you're digging the look I'm rocking today, I've started doing mini makeup tutorials again on IGTV. So head over to my Instagram page. The link will be in the description box below. Hit that subscribe button on your way out and join us each and every Monday as we demo and discuss braid techniques, tools, and products and protective styling trends and basically all things braid related. As always, thanks for stopping by. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.